Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Acrylic Sanya. In today's video we are going to learn how to make this textured floral abstract art. So this is the piping bag I'm using here, and that's the exact nozzle I'll be using to create the petals of the sunflowers. So these are the basically are the things which we get in normal store. These are the cake decoration things, so you can get it easily anywhere. So I've filled the piping bag with texture, but so I've created this texture with molding paste and acrylic colors. To see exactly how I make this texture paste, watch my other YouTube videos where I have given a detailed explanation of the texture. Just to give an highlight, so I have mixed molding paste with acrylic colors to make a texture thick enough to put into the piping bags. So usually the molding paste is and the color is in the ratio 4:1, where 4 is the ratio of molding paste and 1 is acrylic colors. You can use any brand's acrylic colors and molding paste, especially from Liquitex and Golden, because they are really good and professional quality and they don't crack. As you can see, I'm just squeezing out the texture from the piping bag, because here my idea was to create a abstract floral and I didn't want it anything that is realistic, so I'm just creating a random abstract sunflower. I'm not being very specific over here because that's how I wanted my painting to look. If you want your painting to look like very perfect, so you need to make the perfect petals and the perfect sunflowers. Here, this the only one nozzle which I'm using is to create the sunflower petals. Apart from that, I've just filled the piping bag with the desired color. For example, here I have filled the piping bag with green and little brown in it to give it the leaf shape. Apart from that, for the center of the sunflower, I have just filled the piping bag with a little brown and black, and I have just cut the nozzle a little to give it the texture of the center of the sunflower. I'm using a knife here just to redefine the shape of the sunflower, as I wanted to make an abstract sunflower. Just to give it the feel of an abstract thing. Here I am using a wooden panel for texture. Usually I use a wooden panel because it's more sturdy, and even if your texture is heavy, it won't like it will stay proper nicely even with lot of weight of the texture on it. So it's like really easy and durable option. But if you are learning to create textured art, you can always try your hands on stretched canvas too, but not on the papers or something like that. As you can see, like in this painting, I have used a contrast of light and dark. I've made sure the background color is light enough for that sunflower to pop up. You can use the same technique to create any kind of florals, like just make sure the background is light, or if the background is dark, make sure the florals are light so that the contrast would make it look more nice and easy and more attractive. And if you're a first time textured artist, like make sure you practice enough, because I am able to do this after like quite few years of practicing textured art. So be easy on yourself. Like you're not going to be able to create this in first attempt. If you are, that's well and good. If you're not, don't get disappointed, because practice makes man perfect, and practice, 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 and watch all my videos to kind of master the skill of textured art. And also let me know in comments which is the next painting you would like to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day ahead.